It's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am back at you with another video. So today's video is going to be all about my faux locks. So I'm going to be talking about the convenience, the care, frustrations that I have with the hair, and the longevity of the hair. So first I'm going to talk to you about the convenience. So let me tell y'all, this hair is so freaking convenient. I don't worry about it when I wake up in the mornings. I don't worry about it when I go to bed at night. If it's raining outside, I'm good. Like, this hair is super convenient. And with me being natural, having convenience is always a plus, okay? So with this hair being convenient, I can spend more time on other things in the morning compared to trying to make sure my hair looks decent. Excuse me. I literally will put this hair up in this bun and walk on out the door. Like, it's the best thing ever. So next I'll talk about the care. So care for this hair is pretty simple. Like, all you have to do is make sure that you either are sleeping with a satin pillowcase or you have a satin bonnet to put on your hair, just so it doesn't get too frizzy, unless that's the look you're going for. If you want it to look as natural as possible and you don't want to put it or wrap it up or anything, go for it. I have satin pillowcases, so I don't sleep with a scarf ever. I just don't. Another thing with care, I do moisturize my scalp because my hair gets really dry when I wear braids. I don't know why, but all the moisture is just gone whenever I wear braids. So right now, to keep my hair moisturized, I've been using the Hydrating Growth Oil by Bronner, and it is amazing. Like, my hair stays oiled up for a couple days, and then every other day I'm oiling my scalp, and that's pretty much all I'm doing. I don't too much worry about my edges because I'm natural, and for the faux locks to look as natural as possible, I just don't bother my edges. And I definitely get a lot of compliments on my hair all the time. Like, a lot of people are saying you should let it lock up like that, and I'm like, yeah, I've had locks before. They looked really good, but it's not really something I want to do again. I definitely would prefer to rock my fro, if you catch my flow. Next, the frustrations with the hair. It's kind of long, and I know I wanted it long, but it's like really long. So like, when I sleep at night, like, this bun is like in my head 24/7 because when it's down, it's just everywhere, and I'm kind of having an allergic reaction to the hair. My skin's really sensitive, so I noticed when I did sleep with it down one night, I broke out all across my chest and my shoulders. Like, it was so bad. Like, I literally had hives. So I've been trying to kind of keep it up, except for like if I'm modeling or something, I'll take it down, but other than that, it's been up in this bun. Another frustration I have with this hair is it gets caught on every freaking thing. Okay, like, I had stones on my nails, but whenever I go to put this hair in a ponytail or I go to scratch my scalp, my nail is getting stuck to the hair. Or even yesterday, I got caught to a freaking tree branch. Like, I was getting in my car and the tree like caught the top of my bun and I was stuck. Like, so embarrassing, just so embarrassing. Other than it catching just about everything I walk by, I'm good. Those are pretty much the only frustrations I have with the hair. Lastly, the longevity of this hair. So listen, if my birthday was not next month, I would wear this for like a few months. Like, this is probably the longest I've ever had a hairstyle, and I think the reason behind it is because of how much work I do not have to do. Like, this has been the best thing ever. I have not worried about my hair at all, and I've literally, just like I said, just been on the go. So if you're looking for a style that you don't have to worry about and you don't have to focus on too much, this is definitely your look. They do have other colors. You don't have to get blonde and brown. You could definitely do a natural color, so you know you can go to work and not get criticized for your hairstyle. Me, on the other hand, I'm pretty much my own boss. I do whatever I want to do with my hair when I want to, so I don't have to worry about somebody saying, oh, you can't do that to your hair because that's not in our policy. I don't have those problems. Shoot, if I wanted my hair to be pink, it'll be pink. And as y'all know, my hair is purple, so hey. But yeah, that's it about my hair, really. I don't have too much more to say. Like I said, it's very convenient. I don't worry about it, and I think my boyfriend likes it. He hasn't said he didn't like it. And I think he likes this better than my purple hair. So hey, it's a win-win situation. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And follow my social media pages, y'all. I am down in the description box. I'm NEESYRAYCHELLE on Instagram. I am Donisha Chic on Twitter. Follow and like me up, please. Like, I'm begging you at this point. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.